Are you looking for the best wood wax? Here we will break down the top 7 best wood wax on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Howard FW0016 Wood Polish and Conditioner. It allows this product to feed the wood. Good old beeswax and carnauba wax take care of providing your furniture a polished luster. What feeding does is mimicking the way trees themselves take care of wood in nature. Using resins and natural oils of their own, trees surround wood with the right amount of moisture to grow tall and healthy. Just picture what this product can do for faded wood finishes around your home. A coat of feed and wax followed by a thorough buff is all it takes for your wooden furniture to look fresh again. At number 2. Katzco Furniture Repair Kit Wood Markers. The Furniture Repair Kit is an affordable product. You will find these markers in a set of 12, which contains 6 different colors. As they are permanent markers, it won't wear out easily, and the ink color matches the wooden surface perfectly. These markers can be quite handy and suitable for any old beaten-down furniture. Although they are good for covering up damages, it doesn't provide much security for the furniture. In my opinion, this item can be an option for those who have limited budgets, or whose furniture gets damaged repeatedly. In other words, for an immediate fix, the Furniture Repair Kit might be a good option. At number 3. Minwax 785,004,444 Paste Finishing Wax. This wax is very smooth and has a rich consistency, which makes it very easy to apply. Once you apply it to your furniture surface, you start noticing the changes instantly. It penetrates the pores on your furniture surface efficiently without changing the natural color of the wood. This feature eliminates the need to use this wax with other products like polyurethane. This wax dries up pretty quickly and leaves behind a smooth texture on your furniture's surface. The downside is that since it is made from organic materials, its price tag is a bit high. It, however, compensates for its high price with its impeccable quality and functionality. At number 4. Daddy Van's All-Natural Unscented Beeswax Polish Furniture Chemical. Daddy Van's All-Natural Unscented Beeswax Furniture Polish is a natural wood wax which protects, nourishes and renews your finished wood products. This product is government approved, and it is certified by the USDA certified bio-based product, meaning you are assured that there are no chemicals used in the manufacturing of this product, making it safe for you and your family. The best feature about this product is that it leaves your finished work healthy, glowing and nourished when it is being applied. At number 5. Howard CS0014 Citrus Shield Paste Wax. This is a premium wax that is made of the hardest Brazilian carnauba natural wax that contains orange oil that penetrates the wood grains, so you don't have to keep reapplying. The carnauba wax creates a barrier on the wood surface that prevents water penetration. It enhances the wood grain's natural beauty and buffs to give it a gorgeous long-lasting shine. It's one of the best furniture waxes you can use on antique furniture because it doesn't contain any chemicals like toluene. It provides a protective coating on any kind of surface including concrete, marble, and even metal, and this helps to keep your furniture safe from water damage and UV rays. It's not only good as a furniture wax, but also acts as a wood conditioner, and you can also use it to buff unfinished wood surfaces. This multifunctional furniture wax is available in 5 shades, and its pleasant citrus smell makes it comfortable to use when you're polishing. At number 6. Renaissance Wax Polish. This polish does not contain acid nor becomes acidic with time. That is why our stores appreciate it so much. It does not alter the chemistry of the materials it is applied to. Such a feature also guarantees that this wax won't lose its color, nor decolorate what is underneath. We are sure you put a lot of thought matching the colors in your decor, and it would be a shame to let that go to waste. Trust Renaissance Wax Polish to seal every crack while enhancing the finest natural details of wood. You can apply it on top of any finish, and it will provide the silkiest of sheens. If you are working on a hardwood, you can even forget about a sealer. It will perform even without one. Take into account that 200 ml of wax cover 90 square feet. However, it doesn't matter if you get too much, because it can be stored for years without losing its properties. At number 7. Briwax Original Furniture Wax. The formula in the wax is a combination of carnauba wax and beeswax, which is ideal for many wooden furniture. This wax blend can also restore the lost glow of your antique furniture. You can easily apply this wax with the help of any cotton cloth, and you only need to take a small quantity. As a result, this product can be your companion for a long time. However, it is advised not to use a damp cloth to clean the furniture after applying a coat on it. If you accidentally do that, you have to wax it again, which can be a disadvantage. This furniture wax ensures that the furniture looks brand new by hiding any scratches on it. You can also use it to clean and polish the wood floors of your house. This wax is formulated to provide long-lasting effects, and therefore you don't have to reapply often.